Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to this video of classic old Popeye on the Commodore 64. So this is a classic game, it came out in the arcades in '82 and had a lot of different conversions, and this is one of them, and I have reviewed a few of them before. The Nintendo 8-bit version was really good, my favorite perhaps, and the Atari 2600 version was surprisingly good actually. So here we go, one player. Get ready. So I play as Popeye here up to the left, and I need to stay away from that drunk fat bastard Bluetooth, or whatever he's called. He's after me here because he wants to have my lovely life, Olivia, who is throwing hearts at me on top, and I need to go down here and oops, and collect all these hearts before they fall into the water. And all my hearts that I have collected so far is up to the left, and I need to fill all the hearts there. I don't feel for counting right now when I'm playing. Shit. Ay caramba. So I lost one life already here. And I can have my revenge on this drunk bastard here by eating my spinach like that. And I can send him to Kingdom Come with a punch. Like that. And they could have done better because it's just a waste of time when all the hearts freezes. I could have gone around and collected them when I'm green. Why not? Oops. But it's a little bit of tedious, all this collecting. It could have been better if there was fewer hearts to collect, perhaps. I have not played this game on any system for a long time, so I don't really remember. Oh shit. Ay caramba. So is this my last life now? Here comes the witches, and they throw beer bottles as well. Can at least finish one level, I would be really happy. Oh shit! Oh my god, that was a close one. So I need 8 more hearts. Whee! And now he threw bottles at me. Why am I not surprised? Haha. Now can box the bottles like this. Okay, that is my last heart. So I finished at least one level. Always something. Now I need to collect the notes here that Olivia is throwing at me. And I can use this, whatever it is called, to jump up here. Go down. Now, I'm coming for you, Mr. It's a little bit unresponsive sometimes when it need to go up. Yep. Oh shit. I can of course box the beer bottles here, but it's a little bit challenging when there are many of them. I have to find the proper rhythm. Here he comes. Oh shit. Let's go up here. You bastard. Ay caramba. I think I only have 5 notes left. Perhaps I can make it. Let's go down here. Let's go up here. Ay caramba! Fuck! Yeah, I have more lives. I have more lives. So I can finish this one. Let's go up here. No. Caramba, you bastard! Let's go up here now, so stay away from him. Ugh! I didn't know it. I thought I was going to land on the upper ledge. Is it game over now? Yeah, I think, yeah, it's a game over. Yeah, I was one note from finish the second level. But never mind, we have seen the game a few minutes. It's alright. I think it's a pretty good version, actually. So, the Nintendo version, I found it more easier, actually. And it was better graphically as well. The controls was better as well. But this is very playable. Little game, actually. Good sound. It looks pretty good, actually. So I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for the Popeye on the Commodore 64. That's it for today. Have a good one, everyone. Goodbye.